How to change your connect button on LinkedIn to follow button. Now let's say why anyone would do that. So there could be a couple of reasons behind that. One of the reasons would be that you already have a lot of connections, and then simply if you have reached the maximum of your connections, which is 30,000 on LinkedIn, then you can no longer accept connections. And then you can put as the primary action on your LinkedIn profile, follow button. Also, even if you have less than 30,000 connections on LinkedIn, if you haven't already reached the connection maximum, maybe you don't really want to have a big number of connections. Maybe you simply want to have more followers than connections, or you don't have time to respond to the connection requests or similar. So this is the way to do it. Once you are on your LinkedIn profile, go to the main menu and click on the Me icon. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy, choose them, and then from the menu on the left side, choose visibility. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the followers, click on this option, and then here you have an option of who can see your public updates, everyone on LinkedIn or your connections. But there's a warning here that choosing everyone lets people outside your network follow your public updates. If you switch from everyone to your connections, you'll lose any out-of-network followers you have now. Any changes you make will take effect in about 24 hours. So I would recommend for you to choose this option, everyone on LinkedIn. So this is the way to change the button from connect to follow. If you enable here yes, if you click on yes, it will be, the follow button will be enabled as the primary action when members view your profile.